Hi, how to get Microsoft Office for free. Now there is an online version of Microsoft Office what Microsoft provide for free of charge. You can edit Word documents, Excel sheets, etc, all online for free. Now to get to this, you need to search for Microsoft Office online. Scroll down and you want to do Office 365 login. Now in here you don't want the buy now or anything like that, you just want to click the sign in. Now if you don't have an account, you can create a free account. It's totally free, and then once the account is set up, you can just sign in, enter your password, and you now got access to Office Online. Now to use this, say if you want to do a Word document for example, you just click on the Word symbol and you can create a new document, and then you can use it as normal. And you can print, for example, print the file off that you just typed in. So from here you can see that it's automatically saved it to a document 3 file there. You can change the name of it to whatever you want. This test, and it will then save it as that file name. So to import a file, I've already got my hard drive. You want to go to the OneDrive, and you can drag and drop your file into there. So you've got my dot there. You can click on it and it will open it in Word for you, and you can edit it as normal, for example, and it will automatically save it as well under that document name. And if you wanted to download it, you could do as well. Save as, download a copy of the Word document. So that's now my copy of it there, which can then open in normal Word if I want to. So that's how to use online Office for free. Like I say, it's totally free. Give it a try.